Hi girls! So if you're watching this video, then you have read through my entire email, you've gone through all the guidelines, and you are now ready to select your arts electives for next year. So in order to do that, you need to log into your student portal, which I've done here. This is my student portal. And on that landing page, you are going to see a really big, beautiful pink button here, and you're going to click that button, and it is going to take you into your course selection form for next year. All right, so 7th and 8th grade forms are handled exactly the same way. Everything that you are required to take or you are recommended for will already be added in your form. So this is Connie Connolly's form, and Connie is going into 8th grade next year. So all of her courses are 8th grade specific courses. If you are going into 7th grade, then that will be reflected here. But Connie is not. Connie is going into 8th grade. So the very first step, as I outlined in my email, is to check the courses that are listed in the form and make sure they look correct. All of the courses you are required to take next year are already populated for you. You don't have to add those. So the first thing Connie's going to do is she's going to go through her form and make sure everything's listed. So she sees her English class is listed, social studies is listed, her math class is here, science, her language, her religion class, and then her information technology class. So 8th graders, you will see design programming here, but 7th graders, yours will say gaming, okay? And then PE is the final course here that's required next year. It's all listed here as it's supposed to be. Everything looks great. But let's say that Connie takes French, right? She's in French. But when she logs in, she sees Spanish here, and that's not correct. So what she's going to do is reach out to her teacher and say, I'm supposed to be in French. There seems to be an error on my course request form. Can you let Mrs. Calhoun know? And they will reach out to me and I will fix that, okay? But as it is, this is correct. Connie wants to go into Spanish. All of these courses look right. So she is ready to move on to the next step. The next step is ranking her arts electives. So there are 5 possible arts electives for all students. You'll see them listed here: instrumental ensemble, theater, visual art, choral ensemble, and dance. All right, there are 5 possible options. Every 7th and 8th grade student will be enrolled in 2 arts electives next year. Okay, so you want to rank those electives, and you want to rank 3 of them, even though you only get to enroll in 2, because you might not get your top 2 choices. Sometimes there's a conflict in your schedule and I can't make your top 2 work. So you want to make sure that you rank 3. So the first step is to go through these choices and see what you're most interested in. Your top choice is the course that you are the most interested in taking, and your third choice you're going to rank is the course that you'll be okay with if you get, but you definitely want that first choice. That's your very, very top choice, and you'd like to get in that if you can. So for Connie, that very first choice is theater. She loves theater. She definitely wants to take it next year. So she's going to go here to where it says theater and see where it says priority here. She is going to make sure that that reads as first, and it does, okay? So she's going to leave that as her first choice. Well, she also plays the flute, and she'd like to keep doing that. So she's going to go up here to instrumental ensemble, and she's going to make instrumental ensemble her second choice. And see here it says it's been saved. So it will automatically save as you do it. You do not have to hit a submit button. It will automatically happen in the form. So she now has her first 2 choices. She has theater as her first, and she has instrumental as her second. And then her third choice, she's heard really great things about dance. Her friends that are a year older than her, they took it when they were in middle school. They loved it. She really wants to do that one if she can't get into the other 2. So she's going to go here to dance, and she's going to make that her third choice. And again, you'll see it is automatically saved. Okay, so that means that she does not want to take visual art and she does not want to take choral ensemble. And she needs to remove those from her form, otherwise she's going to be placed in them. So she's going to go over here to visual art. She's going to hit remove request. She'll be prompted up here to make sure she wants to do that. She's going to say okay, and it's going to go away. See, it's left her form, okay? And the other class that she does not want to take is choral ensemble, right? So she's going to do the same thing she did with visual art. She's going to go right here. She's going to hit remove request. She's going to be prompted to make sure she wants to do it, and she's going to make sure she does it. Once that's done, you just want to go through and make sure that you have ranked these choices as you want them. So she definitely wants theater first, she definitely wants instrumental second, and she definitely wants dance third. Okay? Once that is done, your course form is complete. And I'm going to use the information in that course form to build your schedule for next year.